For this advanced video for Cluck Old Hen, we're going to do it 80 and 90, and then we're going to do it with swing at 80 and 90. So this is straight with repeats. 1, 2, and ready, go. Now at 90, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so now for the swing part, I want you to get really comfortable with 1, 2, 3, 4. So the tricky part is going to be with those, we can get it in the bow, but we have to get the feeling inside of us as well, because we have that, the slur in there. Okay, so do your bowing on all your string scales with everything, and then come back to this, and you can do it slower without a metronome, but this is with it, the swing at 80. 1, 2, ready, go. Now at 90, 1, 2, ready, go.